bounce like that.
Granddaddy is smiling down from heaven at you, Victor.
Now we've got it flattened and tapered just a little bit. We're going to put a curlicue on it, a little decoration. And what I'm making is a meat flipper. You get to see the end product here shortly. Now what we're going to do is just put just a little curlicue right down the end of this, like that. And we're going to take this, we'll make the handle out of it. Now you have a handle for the tube.
Wow.
Now the next step, we're going to put a decorative curl in this area here. I am now the town blacksmith. I'm a third generation smith. My grandfather built this shop in this house, and he and Grandmama lived here throughout their lifetime. He died in 1955, and my dad taught me how to smith in 1977, and I have been a blacksmith in some way or form since then. I'm a knife maker. I make all kinds of different knives and stuff through the smithing process, and I do all kinds of other things too.
Okay, sounds good. And tell me your name again, ma'am?
I'm Cynthia Amaker. My mother was Dale Odom. She was Mr. Odom's daughter. And she lived in this house till her death. When she and my father retired, they moved back here after my grandmother's death, and they lived in this house until their death. And then the house went back. We didn't want it to leave the family, so Victor now has the house. I used to watch my granddaddy shoot horses, and he used to go out and do the things that you put on the horses, and I used to say, "Granddaddy, you hurting the horses?" He says, "No, baby, I'm not hurting the horses. I'm giving them shoes so that they can."
We'll switch to this little pair of pliers because it's a little better for me to hold it. I'm going to do this next step. And we got to check it for straightness. Now we go back to the fire. One of the reasons I wear a glove on my left hand is because I'm close to the fire. I got to have more control over the hammer with this hand, so I don't wear a glove on this hand. Now we go make L shape. Then we'll come to the horn and make the curl. There you have the finished product. Ringtail meat flipper.
That's cool.
We'll sharpen up the point a little bit on the grinder.